ASUS is back with its most powerful gaming phone yet, the ROG Phone 9 Pro Edition. Packed with cutting-edge features, jaw-dropping performance, and insane customization options, this flagship sets new benchmarks for mobile gaming. Is it the ultimate gaming phone to close out 2024? In this review, we'll dive into everything you need to know. The ROG Phone 9 Pro screams gamer chic with its etched glass back for a premium matte finish, aluminum frame, and subtle gamer-themed decals. But the star here is the Anime Vision Mini LED display, programmable with GIFs, animations, or even retro minigames exclusive to the Pro model. This is where the ROG Phone 9 Pro flexes hard. The second USB-C port lets you charge while gaming, output video, or connect the Aeroactive Cooler X Pro, which comes bundled with the Pro Edition. This cooler doesn't just prevent overheating. It adds extra button inputs, a kickstand, a subwoofer, and even a headphone jack. It's a must-have for marathon sessions. The 6.78-inch LTPO OLED display with Gorilla Glass Victus 2 is built for immersive gaming. It boasts an ultra-smooth 185Hz refresh rate, a rarity even among flagship gaming phones. Adaptive brightness can hit an insane 1900 nits, making outdoor gaming or streaming effortless. Whether it's HDR10 Netflix binges or fast-paced sports, this screen does it all. Powering the ROG Phone 9 Pro is Qualcomm's Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset, tuned for gamers. Multiple performance modes like X Mode and X Mode Plus with the cooler attached unlock unparalleled performance, even under heavy load. ASUS has gone heavy on AI enhancements this time. From automatic item pickups in games like Genshin Impact to real-time translation and audio transcription, the AI is a versatile tool both in and outside gaming. Semantic search makes finding media or settings effortless, though ASUS still limits the phone to major OS updates, which might feel underwhelming. Fast 65W wired charging gets you from 0 to 76% in just 30 minutes, while wireless charging adds convenience for casual top-ups. This phone is all about endurance. 50MP gimbal stabilized main sensor, 32MP 3x telephoto camera, 13MP ultra-wide lens. Daytime shots are detailed, though dynamic range could improve. Night mode, however, elevates low light shots significantly. The video capabilities impress too, with 4K and 8000 recording on the main cam. Disappointingly, the telephoto is capped at 1080p. Audio fans, rejoice! The stereo speakers are loud, crisp, and pair perfectly with the included subwoofer on the cooler. And with up to 1 TB of storage on the Pro Edition, you'll never run out of room for games, media, and more. Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more epic tech reviews. See you next time.